How to convert Bitcoin to USDT in Binance. Now in order to do that, you just simply need to open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application, you are gonna see this home page here. Now you just simply need to select this trade option from the bottom middle. Tap into that and then you are gonna see this convert section directly. And now in order to convert Bitcoin to USDT, you just simply need to select this Bitcoin into this from section. You can change by tapping into here, and you can select Bitcoin from here. Now into to section you need to select USDT. That is also selected, and after this you just simply need to enter the amount which you would like to exchange to USDT. Now you just simply need to tap into this preview option to check if there is any mistake or everything is fine or not. After verifying, you can easily convert Bitcoin to USDT. I cannot do this right now because I don't have enough Bitcoin to convert to USDT. But I hope you understood every process to do it correctly. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.